I built a connector that makes it super easy to use Aprimo assets in Sanity using public links. Let's check it out. I need a banner for this page. We can open a window into Aprimo with a single click. Do a quick search through the whole library for banner, and then add it to Sanity. Need multiple images? No problem. We can even reorder them if things aren't exactly how we need. We can also limit what's available for selection. This logo field, for example, is set to only let me choose PNGs. And downloads only lets me pick from available PDFs. This one looks good. Now that I've got all my page content selected, all I have to do is publish. And remember, since we're using public links, if any of the assets get updated in Aprimo, they'll automatically update wherever I'm using them in Sanity.